Diana's 5th birthday.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, it's her birthday tomorrow. See ya, guys.
See you guys. Join us. See ya. Bye.
Ayan. Pupunta tayo ng KFC. Bibili ng baon. Para sa dalawang batang makulit. Ayan. What is your order, girls?
No slushy.
No slushy. Don't fight. I'm gonna wait for Daddy. And yeah. See ya, Daddy.
Yep.
Nakita nyo na po si Coco Martin. Ayan po si Coco Martin. Pupunta ng KFC. What are you eating?
Noodles.
Noodles from?
Cold. You don't have to cook them. They're just a snack.
Is it good?
Yes. I give it to Auntie.
Are you excited for your birthday?
Yes.
Why?
I have a tablet today. And then I have a dress.
What
I
else?
bought.
And then, how about your cake? Ubi cake. What else?
Not the square, Mommy.
Not the square.
She wants a circle.
The circle one. Okay.
It's big.
Big? How big you want? That's too small. Ayan na po si Daddy. Ayan na. Mukha siyang si ano.
Okay
Coco
na?
Martin sa jacket niya.
Oh no, it doesn't fit.
Why you're laughing?
Oh my gosh.
Coco Martin.
Coco melon. Let's feed my child.
Feed your child, Mother.
Honey,
He's gonna cry.
anong peg mo sa jacket mo? Si Coco Martin? Si Tanggol? O si ano?
The child.
Diba si Cardo?
The child is gonna cry.
Honey, sinong peg mo sa...
Ha?
Sinong peg mo sa jacket mo? Si Coco Martin?
BQ.
Ha?
Batang Quiapo.
BQ. po.
Let's go.
The journey begins. Bye. See ya,
See ya.
guys. Cardo Bugnalban.
May tama na kagad ako dito sa ano. Sa Panga. Moonlit Sanctuary, 200 meters ahead.
Yay, time to take pictures of my mama.
On your next.
I'm not going this today.
This is it. This is it.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay.
Dami rin.
Dada, go bring my food.
Yes.
Go bring my food.
The entrance.
Dada, go bring my food.
Wombat. It's wombat.
Oh, wombat. Honey. Oh no. I know. Is it low?
Mother hold.
Oh no, it's
Father
so cute.
hold.
Where is it?
Wombat.
I'm crazy.
It's a wombat.
Wombat.
Wombat. Sleeping.
Just the word. Oh.
Let's go to Wallace.
Huh? Phone.
Are you having fun?
I took so many pictures so long.
Really?
Oh, they see us. Where's the food, by the way?
Yeah, yun, lapitan mo.
No! Daddy, no. Father, don't do it.
That's emu.
Yes, my friend got attacked by it.
Really?
Yes. When he was in grade 2.
Oh, let's go to the koala. Come on.
Oh, stop. It's a ball.
And that's the koala. One koala. And guys, ang dami ditong koala.
We have encountered like 5 koalas.
Ayun. Isang koala na naman.
Ito pa, oh.
Ice cream, guys.
Why did I hear a meow? No, do not eat the fat bird. Please do not eat the fat bird.
That's Dreamy Boy.
It's Jimmy Falcon. No, do not eat the fat bird. Please, please, please. Please. Oh, it's a cool Jim. I'm so close to it.
Si Jimmy Santos.
It's Jimmy Falcon.
Eh, parang kamukha mo yun.
Thank you.
There you go. That's Jim, the wombat.
Alrighty. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to Moonlit. My name is Jake. I am the mammal keeper here today. And around me here, I do have 3 very wonderful wombats. Of course. To start us off, this is Jimmy. Jimmy's a common wombat. He's 7 years old.
Oh,
Only plate right here in their butt. Now koalas use theirs like a cushion, which is why no matter how uncomfortable you think a koala is sitting in a tree, they're actually quite content. Wombats though, they use theirs like a steel door. They block their burrows, that no fantastic set of ears and an excellent sense of smell, but much like me, their eyes don't work all that well. So when they're
ano masahe mo dun sa wombat encounter, Yay?
Very cute. So informative.
How about you, Yana?
Know that there's a
I want to see a koala and a kangaroo.
Oh, later you'll see a koala and a kangaroo.
What does koala eat?
Koala? Oh. Ayan na po yung order namin. Ayan guys, kain muna kami dito. Picnic. Yana, how's your pre-birthday celebration? Good? Wow, what's that? That's your koala pass. Sige, kain lang ni.
When are we having a koala encounter?
Yan, ang ganda po dito. It's a moonlit sanctuary. Yana! So we are here in Koala Keeper Talk. Yan po. Keep moving.
Yana yung siyang
Hello!
Hello.
It is my favourite time of day when I get to tell you about these guys.
Yeah.
Yay!
Koalas look like living, breathing teddy bears. They're absolutely amazing. But I promise they are anything but. They are masters of adaptation. So they're really well suited to a harsh environment they live in. But before I get into all of that, I'm going to introduce all of our koalas. We've got 8 lovely koalas that call Moonlit Sanctuary home.
Wow!
Now, in this enclosure here, we have 4 individuals. One is actually out to meet people at the moment. So 3 in here at the moment, and we have 1 boy, Mo. The bigger the male, the more their sound resonates, the further it travels, the deeper, the more impressive. So they make this noise. And the girls, well, they want to find the biggest, most handsome male on the block. So instead of getting down onto the ground and going,
Hello! Ayan na.
Left us. Oh, it's still there.
Han. Ready for the koala encounter. Yay! One of them.
how many tickets have you got there?
2
2.
tickets.
Now I'm going to set up a step for you so you can climb up.
Yay!
So just give me a moment to pop this one behind.
Wow, perfect. It's her birthday tomorrow. Yay! It's her birthday gift.
Excellent, that's pretty special.
What's her name?
So this is Mally.
Mally. Wow. Wow.
You're turning 5. Well, I can tell you Mally is 10.
Oh, her sister is 10.
There you
So
go.
that's your sister.
Feel how thick her fur is. It keeps her completely waterproof if she gets rained on. Built for living in the trees.
Ang nung panda, nung koala.
Fur. Yung fur ng koala.
Dito parang ano siya, conservation ano, sanctuary kaya ano.
May 3 island.
How many ducks are there?
Yay, ilang bibi yan? Oh, count. Count mo. Sige, count mo. Ba't tumatakbo ka?
Dalawang bibi ako na.
Yan na, ba't tumatakbo ka? Lapitan mo na.
Daddy!
Mario wants to get inside the reptiles.
I want to go there.
What is reptiles, Yai? Hmm? No?
No, it's shedding its skin.
Oh,
That's why
yeah.
it's there.
Good tayo. Kaya mo dito ni. Andun yung buhaya eh, di lang makita masyado pero nandun na yun. No? There. Nasa loob ng tubig. Yun. Dito kami ngayon sa sanctuary. Sanctuaryo ng mga hayop.
Sa Manila Zoo.
Oo, dito lang sa Manila Zoo. Kumusta naman yung
Nice to see
koala?
Yeah.
Maganda.
They got a pet it.
After such a long time.
At last nakakita ka na ng koala. Ikaw, Yai. Next time, wombat.
Ako pa siya.
No, I get to do it, not them.
Okay. Alright guys, see you. Ikot ulit kami.
Nasa Melbourne ako. Yan na.
Sige.
Why did I form a whole army?
Yan, gusto mo yan eh. Oh.
I formed a whole army.
No, she's really nice. Yay, dito ka sa gilid para makita ka.
They call it.
Yan na.
Kaya happy yan na.
Yan na.
No.
Ayan is happy.
I'm so happy. Ano ba?
Ito na po.
She's so nice, yeah. She's so mga pambulong mga takbo. Ikaw ate, kaya mo.
Bro, be quiet.
Galing oh. Ang ba ito?
I'm buying. Please. Both.
Oh, yun. Yan na, konti-konti lang. She's still a child.
Like Yana.
Jay, kuya, kuha ka pa dun, no? Kunin mo pa sa likod. Nice, Yana.
Wait, I need to feed it first.
Kunin mo muna.
Mommy, can you get it?
Get mo na yung feed mo, pang feed. Kunin mo na pati aalis to, Yay.
Stop. Go. I'm so good. I'm so good. Give me some. Why the olive oil? Let me feed.
Honey, against the itas.
Malis na siya.
Boy. Okay lang yan na.
Closer! Bro, Ducky, come closer!
Ayan po, dito kami sa paraiso ng kangaroo.
Paradise.
Mamaya po may suntukan ng kangaroo. Si Kari.
Stop.
Cardo.
Don't get to me.
That Cardo versus kangaroo.
The Australian mascot is...
Cardo versus...
I think that one's a mom. That one's a female.
Is that versus kangaroos versus love?
The hand that fed the kangaroo.
Stop it.
Why?
Ayan. Patingin natin.
Ayan, nakatingin na sa akin. Ayan na, gano'n o. Sabi. Halika na. Sama ng tingin po sa akin ng kangaroo na to. Kangga.
Versus Kanga versus
Versus kangaroo.
Yun o. Ito malaki po ang bayad dito sa kangaroo na to. Ayan. Diyan lang siya talaga. Ayun na po siya nagpapakain. Kang! Kang, come here!
Kang and Kari. Kang and Kari.
Yan po, kanina ko pa ito hinahabol na si Kang kung makipagsuntukan. Kang! Kang! Come here, Kang. Tukan. Ano?
Sama na tingin.
Kaya na pa siya, nakatayo dyan. Kang! So pa mag-feed ng kangaroo? Ha? You still want to feed the kangaroo?
Yes.
Kaya nabuli natin si Kang uli. Alika dito. Kaya na kami.
Close encounter with kangaroo.
Close encounter with the kangaroo. She's so cute.
That's a boy.
Yeah.
I can hear it crunching.
Oh, no? Here? Do you want to get? Mama? Right?
Pinagpapatuloy eh.
Do you want?
It's alright. It's alright.
Okay. Give you.
Then the
Hey, you
little
can.
one.
Okay, you can. You can. You can. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Peter, thank you. It's alright, Yana. All good. Ayun na po si Kang. Ang pinakamalaki. Nice one, Mariah. Oh. Guys.
So, ayan guys, hulaan nyo kung ano sila. Ariana, how about Ariana?
Ano si Yana?
Ariana!
Put your head in.
Put your face properly.
The koala and the kangaroo.
No one is the emu.
No one. Mommy. Mommy, can you go there? Come on. That's the emu. Yay! Your face.
Huwag kang masyadong malapit dun nga.
Video to video. Kaya na here. That's the barking owl.
Barking bark.
Is this supposed to be? It's Harry Potter.
To look
It's
shape.
on Roblox for you.
It's Ariana's pre-birthday celebration. Yana, what can you say about your pre-birthday celebration?
I love it so much. My dad bought me a tablet. My sister bought me a dress, and my mom. And then it's my birthday today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I don't need to use the baggie anymore. And I'm gonna open my tablet.
Wow, are you excited to open your tablet? Yay! Come back! Hi guys.
Ano, hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys now.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you guys?
Yana, take a picture.
Ganda po dito sa asyenda natin. Moonlit Sanctuary. Moonlit Sanctuary here in
That's my pet over here.
in kung saan man to.
Victoria.
Dito sa Victoria, maganda. The best,
tayo.
the best. Lahat. Lahat ng mga hayop.
So windy.
Ano yung celebration?
Hi guys, it's the end of our Moonlit Sanctuary activity for today. We had fun. Look at Ariana and Ate's face. They're sad.
Kasi walang toy.
Pagod. Because ang mahal ng mga souvenir. So, hanggang ref magnet lang kami. Yeah. Next time, maybe. Diba? Ate? Ate! Nagka-hide na po yung birthday girl. So,
The birthday girl, Ariana.
Yeah. See ya guys on our next trip. Bye!
Bye!
Like and subscribe, Timbog. Bye! Bye, Kang and Cardo. Bye! See ya!
See ya.